Hi guys, welcome to another video on Startup Router. Today we are going to talk about one of the easiest software for screen recording. Today we are going to talk about an app called Loom. This is one of the apps that can be used on desktop, mobile, as well as in a Chrome browser as a Chrome extension. So it's a really easy to use app. You can record up to 720p for free, and it instantly gives you a link to download and share. We'll go through the interface in a minute, but what you can see essentially is very easy to use screen recorder. So what first thing you need to do is just search for the Chrome extension for it. So I'll just share the screen. So the first one you see is the screen recorder, and you can see over here that it's got a Chrome in the Chrome Web Store that it's called Loom for Chrome. So if you just Google Loom for Chrome, it should come up. The second thing you can do is download the Chrome desktop as well. So if you go over here on the Loom app, there's an loom.com/desktop. I'll leave the link in the description, so don't worry about that. You can just download the desktop app as well. And for any high quality videos, I would actually recommend the desktop app. Sometimes the Chrome app can get laggy, so I would say just use the desktop app. So as you can see here, that's the Chrome extension, and it will show that screen. Or you can select the desktop version, and you can see that there's an option to select your camera, select your mic, select what you want to record. So you can record full screen, so the monitors, or you can select the windows. So you select a desktop, and then within that you can see all the apps within it. What you can also do is you can essentially select a custom size. So you can select in desktop what you want to record. So you select custom size, and you can say this is what you want to record, and you can do that as well. And what you can also do is importantly select the size. So again, up to 720p, it's free, it's for recording. So any non-professional work or just sharing small demos or tutorials internally, this should be perfectly fine and free to use. For higher versions, you essentially need a $10 a month subscription. Unless you are a student, then you can get it for free as well. So all you do is click start recording. It will come up with a start timer 3, 2, 1, and once you click start recording, you essentially it will start recording. So essentially once you click start recording, it will start recording the video. And once it's recorded, I'm not going to record it because essentially I've got two recording going on, and the mic kind of plays up. So once the file is recorded, it will essentially take you to this kind of a screen where you have the link to the video, some options to comment and reply. Somebody else can comment and reply. There's few settings I'll go through. So first one is copy link. So it's simple as just gives you a link. You give it to your friend or family, and then essentially they can instantly see the video. They might have to log in, but it's still quite easy to do. The other option is adding a password. So you can add a password. So somebody opens the video, they make sure that they have to enter the password that you've given. The third option is also giving a custom access. So you can, as you can see, I've given access to this email address, startuprouter@gmail.com. So you can essentially add that link over there to make sure that only people with those email access can see the video. The other option we have is some simple what you want to allow in this video. So you can allow comments. Do you want to allow animated emojis, animated thumbnails? The other option, which is quite important, is trimming. So if you have done some mess up like I did earlier, you essentially can start trimming this and decide what you want to trim, and then click remove and publish changes, and that will essentially re-edit the video, removing that bit. Final thing you can also do is edit the thumbnail. So if you saw this thumbnail, there you go, this thumbnail that you see here, that is essentially a custom thumbnail. So you can easily just click edit thumbnail. I create my thumbnails on Canva. As you can see here, I can show it to you. So I just create my thumbnails in Canva. I use it as a background as well, as you saw earlier. And then I can simply open those, and upload it here. What you can also do is you can have a call to action. And what call to action allows us to do is put a custom link. So it could be for donating, it could be for taking to your newsletter. So I have a great newsletter. Please see that in the description below. I would really recommend, if you like playing with new technology or seeing new technology, what's trending on the new software world, please subscribe to that newsletter. It's through Substack, startuprouter.substack.com, but have a look at my newsletter. So essentially you can edit the thumbnail, you can have a call to action, trim I already showed. So very simple to use software. Instantly upload anything you want and replace it or create a quick YouTube video like this. So hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and subscribe to the newsletter. Until next time, thank you.